Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you are guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to make a quick tutorial how you can use Klarna platform on your store. So Klarna is the platform where you can allow to access or getting payments from your customers. So let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you can see that their headline is pay your way with Klarna. It means you can securely pay your payment through Klarna payment method. So you need to create an account. Just click over here in sign in. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to the next page, and here you need to wait a while, and now they are asking for Gmail. So you need to paste your Gmail, or if you don't have any account, just click over here create account, and now they are asking for your number. So it is really mandatory to have a number to create an account. So right now in this way you can create your account. I hope this video help you. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.